Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card Order Clone Add-on. Now this magnificent extension helps to replicate the order to create a new order. This involves the concept of generating an identical copy of the order with the different order ID. So this add-on provides the option of cloning of order at admin end. Identical order with different order ID is generated. The feature of cloning is provided to every individual order in the admin backend panel, and the order can be cloned via the order listing page or the respective order's detail page as required. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the admin end, how the admin would be able to clone a particular order in the admin backend panel. And before we proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the storefront. Let's hop on to the admin backend panel to check how the admin would be able to clone a particular order. For that, I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering my username, password, and tapping on the sign in button. Now after I've signed in into the admin backend panel, I need to navigate to orders and view orders. Now on the view orders page, we'll find the complete listing of the orders that have been placed by the customers. Now if the admin wants to replicate a particular order, what he can do is he can, for example, we have the order number 133 here that's opened by Horton James. Here we have the gear icon. I can tap on that and I can tap on the clone option to clone this particular order. Otherwise, I can do one thing. I can also go to the order details page by tapping here on the order number 133, and when the details of the order come up here at the top right hand corner just left to the save changes, I'll tap on the gear icon, and within that as well I'll find one option to clone this particular order. So now let's see how we can clone the order. So for that, I'll just tap here on the clone option, and this would bring up the order number 137 to be created there, having the product there. If I want, I can change the customer information by tapping here on the edit option, and I can select a user by tapping here on the choose user, and I can select a particular user for this one, and I can tap here on the choose button. So apart from that, I can set the status of the order as well. I can choose the payment method to be used. Now here we can make use of the save and process payment or save button as well. So if I tap here on the save button, another order would be created. So the order has been successfully created, as you can see, order number 137. Now if I go back to the view orders and I collapse this one, so we had the order number 133. Now I've created a new order, that's the order number 137 there. So that's how easily the admin can clone a particular order as per his own requirements there. For example, I have the order number 134 here. I want to clone this one. I can also make use of this particular section for the order listing page, and I can tap here on the clone option that I have here for the particular order there. So if I tap here for the order number 134, I tap here on the clone button, we have the order number 138 that would be created as a clone for that particular order there. And then what I need to do is I need to choose the status there. I can change the customer information, his billing address, his shipping address. I can choose the shipping method, and the payment method can be chosen there. And then I can go for the save and process payment if I want to process the payment as well on behalf of the customer there. Otherwise, I can go ahead and I can tap here on the save button, and this would create another new order or a replicate order of that order there. That's the order number 138 has been created. So if I go back to the view orders, now you can see that we have two different orders being created. I had chosen the order number 134, and for 134 I have 138 order number as the clone there, and for order 133 I have the order number 137 as the clone there. So that's how this particular plugin, that's the CS Card Order Clone add-on, works. And this magnificent extension helps to replicate the order to create a new order, and this involves the concept of generating an identical copy of the order with different order ID there. So I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the workflow of this particular plugin, that's the CS Card Order Clone add-on. If you still have any questions, queries, sessions or requirements regarding the same, you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uedes.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.